Hello kids, now we are going to learn 4-letter words using all vowels. A sound word. B-A-N-D, band. S-A-N-D, sand. L-A-N-D, land. C-A-K-E, cake. B-A-double-L, ball. B-A-B-Y, baby. A-R-M-Y, army. B-A-K-E, bake. L-A-K-E, lake. S-A-C-K, sack. W-A-S-H, wash. P-A-R-K, park. F-A-R-M, farm. T-A-N-K, tank. B-A-N-K, bank. L-A-M-B, lamb. H-A-N-D, hand. Now E sound word. N-E-S-T, nest. P-E-S-T, paste. B-A-double-L, bell. N-E-C-K, neck. T-E-N-T, tent. B-E-N-D, bend. C-H-E-F, chef. V-E-S-T, waste. D-E-S-K, desk. S-H-E-D, shed. T-E-X-T, text. D-E-N-T, dent. D-E-E-R, deer. B-E-A-R, bear. H-E-A-T, heat. Now I sound word. P-I-N-K, pink. G-I-F-T, gift. L-I-C-K, lick. W-I-N-G, wing. R-I-N-G, ring. B-I-R-D, bird. G-I-R-L, girl. D-I-S-H, dish. S-I-L-K, silk. M-I-L-K, milk. B-I-double-L, bill. F-I-double-L, fill. L-I-L-Y, lily. F-I-S-H, fish. K-I-G, king. Now O sound word. C-O-A-T, coat. B-O-A-T, boat. C-O-R-N, corn. C-O-L-D, cold. S-O-N-G, song. W-O-L-F, wolf. W-O-R-K, work. S-O-A-P, soap. S-H-O-P, shop. D-R-O-P, drop. H-O-L-D, hold. F-O-L-D, fold. M-O-L-D, mold. R-O-S-E, rose. P-O-S-E, pose. L-O-C-K, lock. F-O-R-K, fog. Now U sound word. J-U-M-P, jump. B-U-double-L, bull. D-R-U-M, drum. D-U-C-K, duck. T-U-R-N, turn. B-U-L-B, bulb. D-U-S-T, dust. S-U-R-F, surf. C-U-B-E, cube. T-U-B-E, tube. Z-U-T-E, zoot. C-U-T-E, cute. M-U-T-E, mute. C-U-R-E, cure. P-U-R-E, pure. J-U-N-K, junk. Okay, thank you kids. Bye.